Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a extrude surface command is basic command is discuss here. Okay guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture first and some basic command is discuss here. Some basic command is surface modeling is start here, and one by one is next lecture is coming soon, and one by one is discuss here. Okay, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software, and all command is you can see here easily, and all is not active, but at first drawing any simple geometry, then all one by one is all command is activated. Okay, at first draw any geometry. Draw a center rectangle is draw here, and this is a mention any dimension is a okay, this is a okay, mention any dimension, this is 200 and this is a 140. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, click exit and select click extrude surface. Okay, this is a perfect, and blind is a mid plane. Okay, this is a mid plane, and height is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Body is preview is showing here, nice. And guys, next lecture is a this draft command is discussed here, and this is a basic lecture is surface extrude surface, a basic lecture, and height is increase, and okay, this is a perfect looking here, and okay, and click okay, this is a perfect. Plane is a white, and cartoon is a select here, this is a okay, and color is a select here, this is a pink color is very nice. Okay, this body is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some this portion this surface extrude is edit here, and some part is edit. This is a offset. Offset is a this body is a offset is a 10. This is a correct. This body is a offset, you can see here looking nice. Okay, and is a reverse direction. Okay, this is a perfect, but okay, this is a correct. Offset is also include here. Okay, this is a perfect body, and click a isometric. This is a body is perfect, looking very nice, and size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a zoom out and in. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this is perfect. Okay guys, okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Okay guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And extrude surface is a next lecture is coming soon, draft command. Okay okay guys, thank you.